Let's skip the pleasantries and jump straight into it. Today, we are deconstructing a massive indie app portfolio, and we're going to extract every single number, every coding tool, and every marketing strategy used to build it. Tell me if this sounds familiar. Are you spending hours scrolling YouTube for the perfect app idea, only to build absolutely nothing? Well, what if I told you that a $120,000 a month business idea is already hiding in plain sight, sitting right there as one of your own personal hobbies? Section 1. The $1 Million Problem. Section 2. Revenue and Monetization Model. Let's strip away all the fluff right now and look straight at the hard numbers. $120,000. That is Kyle's total monthly revenue right now across his entire portfolio. And get this, he isn't running some massive corporate team. He literally started by bringing in a few friends and teaching them how to code, splitting the revenue just so they could avoid working retail jobs at Kohl's.
15,000. That is the exact number of active, paying subscriptions for his flagship app, Cardstock, which basically scans and values sports cards.
But here's where it gets crazy. When you compare his old app to his new app, it reveals a wild shift in efficiency. So his legacy app, Cardstock, has 15,000 active subs and $75,000 in monthly recurring revenue, but it took 6 whole months to build, with a 3-month gap in there. Now, look at Scanon, his newer app for Pokémon cards. It was built in just one single day. One day. Yet it's already pulling in 3,400 active subs, $17,000 a month, and it actually beats the 6-year-old app in monthly downloads, hitting 16,000 a month compared to Cardstock's 13,000. Section 3. The exact tech stack. How exactly did he pull this off? Let's break down every single tool and language. For the original Cardstock app, the foundational iOS and backend tech stack looks exactly like this. He used Swift and SwiftUI for the build, and Core Data for local storage. Because he needed a really robust backend server for a massive card database, he deployed on an AWS EC2 server. Honestly, he admits he built most of it just by searching Stack Overflow. And for the monetization model, he utilized third-party SDKs, specifically integrating RevenueCat and Superwall to handle those subscription paywalls. But remember that insane one-day build time for his newer app, Scanon? Well, here is the exhaustive modern AI and productivity stack that allowed his AI agent to generate the MVP in a single day. He used Cursor as his primary IDE, basically having its agent generate almost everything. The supporting stack includes ChatGPT, Notion, Slack, Framer for the website, and Claude, which he mainly used for the coding work. For backend and deployment, he utilized Supabase and Railway. He also integrated CodeRabbit, WhisperFlow, and Granola. He did not manually code this from scratch, guys. AI literally did the heavy lifting here. Section 4. The TikTok Marketing Playbook. You know, you can build a great app in a day, but how do you reliably acquire 29,000 combined downloads every single month? Kyle's exact acquisition funnel relies strictly on TikTok slideshows. Here is the sequence. Step 1. Create simple, repeatable TikTok slideshow templates. Step 2. Ruthlessly test those templates to find the exact perfect balance between generating raw views and actually converting those views into app downloads. Step 3. He scales this up not by posting organically, but by distributing these proven templates to external creators via a platform called UseNoise. Step 4. He pays those creators based strictly on the volume of views they generate. It is a calculated high-conversion traffic machine. Section 5. Building from your hobbies. Now that we have the mechanics down, let's talk about ideation. Here is the exact 3-step playbook for finding and executing a $1 million app idea. Step 1. Document your slow, arduous, repetitive tasks. Seriously, just open a notes app on your phone. If you aren't noticing the frustrating tasks in your own daily life, you are simply not paying attention. Step 2. Determine a solution. What is the absolute quickest, most minimal version that solves that specific problem? And Step 3. Build it. Use AI to build the app and automatically implement paywalls. The AI can literally even drive your browser to walk you through the exact setup steps for Superwall. This perfectly encapsulates his core philosophy on validation. If you build an app for something you're passionate about and solves your problem, you've won no matter what. I love that, because even if you don't make a single dollar initially, you've successfully solved a real problem for yourself. And odds are, thousands of other people share that exact same problem. Also, if you hit a technical roadblock, Kyle has a very simple rule to overcome builders' anxiety. Just reach out for help. Successful people actually love to share how they did well. Don't worry about bothering them. Trust me, they will definitely let you know if you are. Section 6, Final Recap in Action.
We've covered a massive amount of ground today, so let's lock in the facts with a rapid-fire core recap. The portfolio total sits at $120,000 per month in revenue. Cardstock drives 15,000 subscriptions, $75,000 in monthly recurring revenue, and 13,000 monthly downloads. Scanon drives 3,400 subscriptions, $17,000 in MRR, and 16,000 monthly downloads. The core stack is Swift, SwiftUI, Core Data, AWS EC2, and Revenue Cap. The AI stack is Cursor, ChatGPT, Claude, Supabase, and CodeRabbit. And the entire marketing pipeline relies on TikTok slideshows distributed at scale via the Use Noise platform.
Which brings us to our bottom line logic for today's explainer. Today's takeaway: the most profitable app ideas are just digitized solutions to your own slow, arduous, repetitive hobbies.
Now, I really want to hear from you. We need your action plan. If you were to replicate this exact project today, what is your very first step? We want to see your blueprint. Leave a comment down below to get the full tool list and mind map sent directly to you. Start building, and I'll see you in the comments.